9 free AI tools, $0 a month. And the last one replaces an entire skill set you'd normally hire out for. Most best free tools lists are garbage. They push you toward the paid plan by minute 2. These are ranked by actual freelance value. What closes clients? What saves hours? The one I run every single day is buried at number 4. And here's what nobody tells you. One of these is completely free if you're a verified student. ChatGPT and Claude, tied at number 1. Here's the exact play. Don't ask for an email. Paste the client's last message, then type, reply in a warm, confident tone. I want to raise my rate by 20%. Keep it under 120 words. You usually get 2 or 3 usable drafts in seconds. Something like, "Hi Sarah, I've loved building this with you. Starting next month, my rate is moving to $X to reflect the scope we're now covering." You edit one line and send. Claude's free tier is stronger for long form. Feed it your rough transcript. Say, turn this into a 600-word blog post in my voice, and edit instead of write. In my tests, a 90-minute drafting job dropped to roughly 12. That alone pays for itself. Number 2, Canva. This is what makes clients pay you like a pro. Open a blank doc, type your idea into Magic Write for captions, then use the basic image tools to build a client deliverable, pitch deck, social pack, thumbnail. Client-facing polish, no design degree. You charge for the output, not the hours. But here's where it gets interesting. Number 3, ElevenLabs. Free tier gives you a monthly character allotment. Check the current limit. These shift constantly. Paste your script, pick a voice, generate. Now you're selling faceless video voiceovers, audiobook samples, ad reads, without ever recording your own voice. Freelancers are quietly billing for this. Number 4, the one I run daily. CapCut. Free editing with auto captions and background removal. Drop your raw clip, hit auto captions, and it transcribes and styles your subtitles in one click. Background removal with no green screen. In my test, this turned a 2-hour edit into roughly 20 minutes. Pair it with ElevenLabs, and you're producing full content solo. Some of its AI tools have moved behind credits, so double-check what's still free before you plan a job around it. Number 5, Otter.ai. Free plan with a monthly transcription cap. Again, verify current minutes. Record a client call, and Otter spits out a searchable transcript. Feed that straight into Claude, summarize action items, and write a recap email. Meeting to invoice-ready notes in minutes. You look organized, you get rehired. Descript is the sibling. Limited free transcription hours, but it lets you edit audio by deleting words in a text doc. Highlight a filler in the transcript, hit delete, and the audio cut happens automatically. Podcasters and course creators. That's an hour of manual editing gone. Now the dev tools. GitHub Copilot is free for verified students and open source maintainers. General users get a limited free tier too. Open your file, type a comment like // function to validate an email address, and it writes the function inline. You hit tab, it's done. That's boilerplate you were charging an hour for, finished in seconds. Pair it with Cursor's free plan, limited AI requests, so spend them well. Hit Command-K, describe a feature in plain English, add a loading spinner while the form submits, and it edits the actual file for you. One request, a real change on screen. Freelance devs, that's billable output at machine speed. One honest warning nobody gives you. Free tiers change constantly, and some use your inputs for training. Don't paste confidential client data into a free plan. Check the privacy settings first. 30 seconds saves you a lawsuit. Here's your one next step. Pick just the top 2, ChatGPT or Claude, plus Canva, and run one real client task through them today. Not tomorrow, today. That's how this sticks. Subscribe, because tomorrow I'm showing you how to chain 3 of these into a single automated workflow that produces a finished client deliverable while you sleep. You won't want to miss that one.